Alright. Yeah, basically you go down there, there's a little boat. I'll leave a link to the other videos. You get on the boat and you go out the other side and you end up in America, basically. Some weaponry. How are you doing?
You keeping well?
I'm not too bad. Long time no see. You're famous on YouTube.
I think it was raining the last time.
Yes.
Mate, you'll have to excuse me because I need to over there first.
Can we buy one?
Right, folks, the first weapon we're going to start is the flint. Davy is raised as a militiaman in the American Revolutionary War. He's armed with long lance cannon or round base flintlock musket. It is arguably one of the longest serving military weapons, over 100 years service in the British Army. The muzzle loader became everything that pushed down the muzzle, the mouth of the gun. Maybe put the cartridge, turn the cartridge open, and drop everything down the barrel. In the cartridge, he rams everything down. This helps to seat the bullet and compact the powder. The more compact the powder is, the better the explosion will be. He then goes to half cock. Half cock is a safety device on these weapons. If the gun goes off half cock, it's broke. Hence the expression, somebody going off half cock and rushing into something. He takes a finer grain of powder and he grinds the pan. Ready?
You ready? Can you see him, Leo? Watch.
Ready? Fire. Misfire. Now, what's happened is the flint has hit the steel but failed to create a spark. No spark, no bang. This can be because the steel is dirty, the flint is dull, or the steel is wet.
Whoa! That was pretty cool, isn't it? See that? Wow.
Now, these out of 10 guns,
It made me
that didn't actually matter because the people you were shooting against
feet.
had the same technology.
Crouch down.
So it was factored in the amount of fuel in these weapons. Now, there was a slight delay, if any is noticed, between the pan going off and the main charge. There's two separate explosions. There was a Reverend Forsyth, who was an avid hunter, didn't like the thought that birds getting a sporting chance and getting away by that first explosion. So he invented the percussion cap.
I'm gonna cover my ears for nothing.
Don't worry, I'll let you know whenever they're going
So,
to fire
the
again.
percussion cap, for any of you who don't know, have you ever fired a cap gun? Have you seen a cap gun?
Oh no.
God, what sad lives she's having now. It's fulminate of mercury and iron glass, and when it's hit, it creates an instant explosion. So, Reverend Forsyth, he invented this so he could kill more birds. Forward.
Okay.
Now, the two boys are dressed as Union soldiers in the American Civil War. Those are very, very close to each other, not because they like each other, they were taught a series of commands that will install in them the discipline to load and fire under fire. There's 9 separate commands. The first command is load. Load. Take the gun, put it between their feet, and push the muzzle away from their face. They do this in case as they're loading it goes off. They want their face shut off.
Do you want to stand back?
Take the cartridge. You open up the cartridge boxes, they take out the pre-prepared cartridges.
But you've nothing to fear.
Cartridge.
They'll put them in the plastic.
Now they then turn them. One of the requirements was to have teeth. You needed teeth to turn in the cartridges. Cartridge. You now upend everything, drop it down the bottom. Take rammer. Take the ram rod, put the tip of the ram rod in the muzzle. Ram, cartridge.
In the plastic. Do you want to cover your ears?
Again, they're compacting everything down. They're seeking the bullet. They want everything down to the bottom of the rifle.
Do you want to see the
Return rammer. Once they return the rammer, they do so with their little finger. Again, a safety device. You do not want your hand over the muzzle in case it goes off. You can afford to lose a finger. Right. And then either feet. Open the cap off, take out the percussion cap. The percussion cap is placed on the nipple. The nipple is a direct route into the finger. Ready?
Yeah. Prepare.
Aim. Fire.
Jump again.
They should be able to do this 3 times a minute.
But I still do this.
The longer they do it, the more residue is left on the inside of the barrel. The more residue in the barrel, the dirtier the barrel is, the harder it is to ram. So there is recorded cases of soldiers peeing down the barrels in the middle of the battle to clean the barrels out. 2 ways to clean a barrel: use a cleaning round, which is a round designed to take all the junk out, which with few and far between, or you wash out the barrel. And the easiest way to wash out a barrel is to be enlarged. So, any questions, feel free to come over and ask. Alright?
How you doing?
Alright.
Any questions?
Well, what was that like?
Wasn't too bad that.
Oh my. What's that gun?
Oh, that's a lever action.
Was there any questions?